Hey everybody, this is a quick video. In case you have an ABB CP600 series, I will go ahead and put all of the model numbers in the description. And you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now you're going to want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If this control panel seems to be freezing or not responding, or if it is slow, not connecting, anything like that, and you've tried other soft resets, force reboots and stuff like that, and they haven't worked, you might need to move on to this hard reset. The other reason is if you're just trying to set it up as a new device for whatever reason, you want to get it back to the way it was when it came out of the box, we can go ahead and do that really simply. We're just going to start by turning off the panel. And then what we're going to do is we're going to turn the panel on and we're going to immediately start tapping on the screen, in the middle of the screen as we're turning it on, as it's turning on, and you'll see it'll eventually show up on the screen. Tap is detected, going to the config mode. Once that happens, you can stop tapping on the panel and just wait until the rotating menu is loaded. And then in the rotating menu, you're going to navigate to Format Flash with the next or the back button. You can use that to navigate. And then you'll select Format Flash. Then you'll confirm the message by hitting OK. And then you'll just wait for it to reset, and then you can go ahead and set it up as a new panel.